Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic, and I think it's part 3 of the rough running saga. I guess we can call it that now. What is my latest attempt, if you see my part there, is to try and replace the fuel pressure regulator. It's unlikely to do it because I've been told it's probably my wiring, which I'll also check later. Probably in there, not there somewhere. To see whether I need a new wiring loom. I hope not. But in the meantime, let's try and change the fuel pressure regulator and see what fault. So coming into the fuel pressure regulator there, you can see there's I think it's a circuit. You need to undo those 2 circles. You need to disconnect, I guess it's the brainer pipe, the vacuum line. Make sure you've got some blue roll. There's some blue roll to cover up any fuel that should come out. This has been sat for a while, so there shouldn't be any in there. So pull that off, take the clip off, put it out, pop the new one in. Excuse the wind noise, we've got storm Irene or whatever it is hitting. Right, blue roll, blue roll, blue roll, blue roll. Circuit. We're going to disconnect the vacuum line. That's off. One-inch screwdriver, so I'll be back. Give me a second. Out. So now it's a case of pull this out. Easy enough. Put a new one in. Sorry, the wind got you there. Not happy with that yet. But that's effectively it. Just double check the seal. Let's put the vacuum hose on. Make sure that's all the way on. There you go. Take the blue roll out and I'll give her a start. Let's try a start up. See whether the fuel pressure regulator has sorted it or whether it's going to have to be a new wiring. So ready? Okay, start up number 1. Well, that didn't work. So, it's not running properly still, but that looks to be in. Okay, it's all connected up, so we can see it. Just see if I take the cover off. That's winning. It looks to be the original loom. I don't know how else you can tell. You see, yeah, I think it's new loom time, annoyingly. Which is be a fun job in itself. But no, there you go. So new wiring loom coming up soon. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you when I try again.